Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Guess what? Today we're in downtown Paphos, as usual, and we're going to make a very, very special video for some very, very special people all the way from the wonderful green grass of home. That's Wales. Let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Rasivia Lagoon.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again. Today is a most especially video for you, Miss Louise and Mr. Jimmy Williams. This video is especially for you. Just smile.
Stick with us, Louise, Jimmy. We're going to storm the reception of, I think you've guessed it, the Olympic Lagoon Resort, 5-star luxury in downtown Paphos, Cyprus. You're going to be touching down in a couple of weeks and you're going to have a great holiday, that is for sure. Forgive all the crickets in the background, they are all mating because it is, of course, the island of love. Stick with us in case you didn't get to read that sign. Hopefully you can read that sign. Olympic Lagoon Resorts, Paphos, Cyprus. True luxury, 5-star, Rasivia Lagoon.
I'm 5-star also.
You are?
You just don't have here.
No, that's right. Now, let's storm the reception of this luxury hotel. Stick with us, as that tradition goes, we always get to follow the rear end of Miss Ochin Rasivia Lagoon. There we go. Wish us luck. So far, we've got away with this hotel a couple of times, and they haven't thrown us out. There's quite a lot of security staff around today, so stick with us. Have a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. There's the main reception area. Here's the gallery landing. Have a look at that. And out the back, well, that's the blue Mediterranean Sea. That's for sure. Stick with us. And look at that. And there is Rasivia Lagoon, looking very colourful today. That's for sure. Stick with us. We're going to storm around and have a look. Stick our nose here, stick our nose there, and see just what we can find in this luxury 5-star hotel. We've not been that away before. What do you think, Rasivia Lagoon? Shall we go that away? We'll go that away. Stick with us. Let's go and have a nose and see what is going on. Now, we understand if you're going to get married, that's where you have your reception area. Now, over there is a spa, and that woman's just spotted us, and I think she's going to come out and try and stop us. So stick with us. We're going to go this way. That's it. Get up them stairs, Rasivia Lagoon. Let's follow your rear end. Some of our viewers understand that these hotels do not like us wandering around, so stick with us. Some of them are slowly coming to join the game, but this one so far has not. Stick with us. Somewhere down here, there is an indoor pool. I like an indoor pool. It's through there. Go on, Rasivia Lagoon. Let's have a look. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So this is the indoor spa area and the pool area. We're going to have a quick look around it. Because if you are one of our followers, you'll understand that I do like an indoor pool. Have a look at that. Not the biggest pool in the world, but very beautiful indeed. Rasivia Lagoon seems to be very excited. Let's go and have a look and see what she's got to say. Do you like it?
Wow, I swallowed my tongue.
True luxury 5-star. Stick with us. Let's go and have a look and see if we can find the gym area. Because you never know, we might get to see the rear end of Rasivia Lagoon on a dancing bike or something. Go find the gym and dance and get your jumper in the air. Stick with us. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. Looking very colourful today. Let's go and have a look. Stick with us. Here we go. Well, look at that. Wow. Let's get physical, let's get physical. That music is playing in the background. Very nice music, but we understand that YouTube just said, let's keep going, come on. Get going, Sugar. Let's hold the rear end. There we are. That away. Don't lose your orientation now. So far we've got away with it. They haven't got a clue what's going on. They think we're guests. So if we get caught, don't forget your name's Louise. Okay, my name's Jimmy. And we've just come 3 weeks early. And we're Welsh, so we'll get away. Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy. She's computer English. Right. Toilets. Do you like that mirror? That's a nice mirror. I like that mirror. Now, I also like that table. Look at that. That might come with us. We'll come back to that later. Come on, we'll see you bit. Oh, she's checking the makeup. What's she found? What have you found? What is it? Ooh, ironing room. There we are. So, Louise, or perhaps even Mr. Jimmy, if you want to do some ironing. That's a very, very nice facility indeed. They've even got drinking water. Have a look at that. Right, stick with us. I understand it's not drinking water. Right, if you're going to get a private function or that sort of stuff, just so you understand, the actual entrance to the spa is there. But they would have stopped us, that's for sure. Now, this is the you and me bar. Can we get in? Yes, we can. Here we are. Look at that. So you can pop in here at night time and Cressivia LaBouffe will play the piano. Are you playing the piano, Cressivia LaBouffe? We'll wait for it. A talent you never even knew she had. Oh, they've locked it to stop people like us monkeying around. Stick with us. Let's get out of here. This is one of the function rooms. So, birthday parties, wedding receptions, that sort of thing. This is where you come. Nice oval room, very, very nice indeed. A nice stage for Cressivia LaBouffe, perhaps to do a bit of cha-chuchka dancing. Or pirouetting. There we go. Stick with us, we are probably pushing our luck. Let's get out of here, Cressivia LaBouffe. Get out to the swimming pools where we are pretty safe. Well, we think we are anyway. Stick with us. I could stay in here all day, exactly. So, Louise, Jimmy, jack your bed up. This way, Cressivia LaBouffe. Jack your bed up. We'll be sleeping underneath it. I'll follow you around. Let's get across the main foyer area again. And let's exit the building on the other side. Because guess what? On the other side, there are some restaurants. Let's have a look at them. There's a computer room, yeah. If you want to get on the internet, if you've got Wi-Fi obviously throughout the hotel, but if you actually want to get onto an active computer, that's where you go. Stick with us. It's beautiful. Look at that. Some beautiful works of art on the wall. They perhaps won't be there in a bit, because we'll come back from a bit later. On, Cressivia LaBouffe. Let's get down here. We've got restaurants. Have a look at that. There's a big touchscreen telephone to allow you to understand exactly where you are. Into the snack bar. There it is. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. So you want to come to Snackaroo, that's where you come. Sit there, eat, look at the pool. Wow. But there's other restaurants, Cressivia. Cressivia LaBouffe is absolutely scared to death. Stick with us. We're going to go out this way. Stick with us. There we are. Now, we've got a manager in hot pursuit for us. Let's go to this one. So stick with us. Here we go. We've been collared, shall we say. Go on, Cressivia LaBouffe. Here we go. Now we're off. Straight out onto the main reception and into the pool. There we go. There we are. That is the beautiful, beautiful pool area. Absolutely beautiful. And there we go. Please forgive the music in the background, but we're going to get you out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. And as you've come to understand, the management in these hotels doesn't really like us. Perhaps you thought we were going to try and steal a croissant or something like that. There's a further gourmet 5-star luxury restaurant on this resort with its own river. Absolutely beautiful. And there is, of course, the main pool area. And a little fun park up there for the littlies. You've now got the Blue Lagoon sunken bar. Swim up, get yourself a drink, pop out, have a game of table tennis. Yes, Jeff, Russell, oh Mandy, we haven't forgotten about you. Pop over there, get yourself a pina colada, and then keep going on your trek down to more and more pools. Have a look at that. That's the main pool. Absolutely beautiful. Look at it. A cascading, overflowing pool to die for. Cressivia LaBouffe?
Well, I'm a little bit shocked to be honest, but it's nice to be caught.
It is nice to be caught. It gets the adrenaline going, shall we say. Because as you may have come to understand, there's no more switching off of the camera. From now on, we keep filming. Nothing is going to stop us. I want to show you some of the beautiful features of this hotel. Have a look at that. Imagine sitting up there, having your lunch, your brunch, or your evening meal, watching the cascading waterfall. And this is the Asian cuisine restaurant, and often if you get married, that's where you go and dine. Just over here, if you aren't going to get married, well, this is the section that is specially built for that. And you've got Captain's Deck Restaurant just over there. And of course, on your back door, Miss Louise, you've got the blue Mediterranean Sea. Absolutely beautiful. Beyond beautiful, it's absolutely spectacular. And you've got a choice of 2 water sports if you want to go and have some fun, frolic around in the blue Mediterranean Sea. Like all of those people, you've got the Octopus water sports and you've got Nick's water sports. They take safety very, very seriously and they'll look after you. You see that?
Well, it's a beautiful, beautiful view. Opens from here. You think that this whole world was presented to you. And the hotel is luxury. Believe me, it's worth seeing and it's worth visiting.
Yeah, it's a truly great, great hotel. You're going to have a great, great holiday, that's for sure. There's a little blue lagoon out here and it's to die for. Very, very shallow. You can literally walk out for about 300 to 400 meters, but of course it's deep enough to swim and it's beautiful. Have a look at that. Truly, truly is a beautiful, beautiful place to come and holiday. Now we understand that Paphos has got some competition, but we believe that Paphos is the greatest place in the world. So I'm dressed head to toe in blue, the sky is blue, the sea is blue. All it's missing is...
You, of course you.
So get yourself on a big bird or in a canoe and start paddling like crazy. Even from Wales, it's not that far to paddle. So Miss Louise, Mr. Jimmy, all the way from Conway. I'm from Ruthin in North Wales, so we're not actually that far apart. We've had to travel 3,000 kilometres, just over 2,000 miles to meet each other. But here we are in downtown Cato Paphos, and you're going to have a great, great holiday indeed. We're going to take you out onto one of the little piers to show you just how beautiful Paphos is, and the location you've chosen is to die for. Have a look at that. So this is one of the concrete piers that has been constructed by the municipality, and the hotels are all in cahoots obviously. There's lots of safety rocks been put in, windbreakers, sea breakers, wave breakers, whatever they're actually called. And it means that you're going to have a nice tranquil holiday and you're going to swim nice and safely. The waters are absolutely crystal clear. Have a look at that. One of the greatest views in the entire world. The only thing that comes close to that is that. Miss Oching, Sylvia, Le Boeuf.
Well, I'm happy, and believe me or not, we've been lucky this time again and again. And I'm totally sure that Miss Louise and your lovely Jimmy Williams will be enjoying the stay in this luxury hotel. It's actually one of the best hotels on the island. It's done, yes, it is all inclusive, but it's done on the proper way. It follows all the standards of the leading hotels of all-inclusive system. We are loving you to bits. We are really, really thanking you for watching.
There we go. Now, there's a big bird leaving, so there you go in the distance. There's 250 people on their travels back to Blighty. But don't worry, that plane's going to reboot, turn around and bring Louise and Jimmy all the way back, I assume from Manchester Airport. There it is. Have a look at that. That's what you could be doing in a couple of weeks, getting drawn around by a nutcase on the boat. And there we go, hanging on for their dear life. Well, they've got smiles on their faces, so it must have been pretty good. You see the other?
How nice. It's amazing. People having fun around here. And the only thing, you have to be a little bit careful, because around these piers there is some big rocks under the water. If you can see Mr. Paul and you agree. We would like to thank you again and again for watching, for your time and support. And please don't forget to come and see another of our nice madnesses. Bye-bye. All
that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. I'm going to leave you with a view across Nick's Water Sports, the Blue Lagoon, the hotel, and back out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. And thanks for watching.